Do you have the energy for the and busiest time of the year? Cece Cheney here, and today I'm sharing 3 tips to keep your energy up as we progress through the holiday season. So, I mean, if you were anything like me, the end of the year kind of starts to feel like a whirlwind, right? Like, there's always this long to-do list of things to cross off. There's holiday parties and lights to see, decorations to put up, potlucks to cook for, holiday shopping to do. I mean, the list literally goes on and on and on and on. And if you're going to really enjoy this time of year, you really have to keep your energy levels up, right? So that you're not the Scrooge, right? You're not the Grinch, but you can really enjoy the holidays, right? So today I'm going to share 3 practical tips to help you keep your energy up. And by the way, I actually have 3 more tips that can help. And if you want those, just send me a message and I'll send those over to you. But I only got time for 3 today because I've got some things I've got to dig in, some things I've got to get done, right? So let's go ahead and dig in. What are these 3 things that you can do to keep your energy levels up during this holiday season? Well, the first one is so important, and this is all about nourishing your body, right? And I'm very aware, right? I'm very aware that it can be really difficult to be health conscious during the holidays, right? I am plant-based, and so I know the temptations out there. I know what the meals look like. I haven't always been, and I've certainly did my share of damage during the holiday season. But we should all be striving for consistent improvement each day. And how do we do that? We do that with nourishing foods. So eating foods that are rich in vitamins and nutrients that help sustain your energy, supplementing when you need to, and adding ingredients to your diet. These types of ingredients to your diet can really be the difference that you need to keep your energy levels high. So that is the first thing. You've got to make sure that you're fueling your body with the stuff that will help you sustain your energy. Tip number 2 is one you probably don't want to hear. It's probably some of the most annoying advice that I'm going to share this one with you, but you've got to get those workouts in, right? Like, working out equals endorphins, and endorphins equal energy. So if you need energy, you're going to want to schedule in some time to hit the gym, right? And if it's not the gym, if the gym isn't your thing, totally get that, right? Try walking around your neighborhood to see holiday decorations, right? That's another way you could get some of that exercise in. Try some speed walking at the mall when you're doing some of your holiday shopping, but finding ways to schedule in and fit in some ways to move your body is going to help you get those endorphins and help you feel energized. And that is definitely something that you are going to want to do to keep your energy up as you're going through all of those millions of things that we've talked about happens this time of year. I mean, once November hits, it's pretty much a wrap, right? It's like, here's November, all of a sudden it's a brand new year. And in our case, it's going to be a brand new decade, right? Now, the third tip is really, really important. And you're going to want to ignore this piece of advice. But let me tell you, this is something that's so incredibly important. And that is making sure that you take a break, right? I know that you're busy, but sometimes to actually make the season merry and bright, like all the things that we want it to be, we actually need to make sure that we're taking that breather. So I was reading about a study this morning that said that 10 to 30-minute naps is all you really need to feel re-energized and refreshed, right? So that is something that you can do. But what if you don't have 10 minutes, right? I've got a little tip for you that only takes 60 seconds. Try deep breathing for just 60 seconds. When you focus on breathing, you help slow your heartbeat and help lower and stabilize your blood pressure. And all of this results in a more relaxed you. And that's something that you can do very easily to give yourself the break in the breather. Additionally, you can do things like watching a holiday movie with your family or friends, or sitting by the fire and reading a book, or going to bed just 30 minutes earlier. All of these things can help you to boost your energy levels, but you want to find some ways to make sure that you're taking some time to really get the break that you need so that you can keep your energy levels up. Okay, so those are 3 things that you can do to keep your energy levels high during the holidays, which is so incredibly important. The first of which was nourish your body. Make sure that you're eating the right foods to keep you feeling energized. 2, getting in that exercise so that you can get those endorphins that keep you feeling good. And 3, schedule in some breaks, right? Whether that is actually taking that 10 to 30 minute nap, or if that's you just going to bed a little earlier, or watching those fun movies with your family, but doing something to give your body time to rest and renew will help you get through this really fun and festive time of year. Now, if you know that the next couple of months are going to be a doozy and you want to enjoy this time of year instead of being sort of tired in a downtrodden mess, right? If we're going to be honest, then be sure to go to my page, click the message icon, and send me a message. I've got 3 more tips that will help you have the energy that you need to actually enjoy the holiday season, and they're yours completely free when you message me and ask for them. So, ciao.